Hello all. Today's topic is elimination reaction. Elimination reaction is a type of organic reaction in which two substitutes are removed from a molecule in either one or two mechanism step. The one step mechanism is known as heat reaction and the two step mechanism is known as even reaction. In the most organic elimination reaction, at least one hydrogen is lost to form the double bond. The unsaturation of the molecule increases. It also possible that a molecule undergo reductive elimination by which the valency of an atom in the molecule decreases by 2. Through this is more common in organic chemistry. There are three fundamental events in these elimination reaction. One is removal of proton, formation of pi bond in CC in carbon carbon means, then breaking of bond to the leaving group. This is the general form of even reaction. Here B is base and X is leaving group which is a halide. In the even mechanism, the first step is the loss of leaving group which leave in a very slow step resulting in the formation of carbocation. The base then attack a neighboring hydrogen, force the electron from the hydrogen carbon bond to make the double bond. Since this mechanism involves the formation of carbocation, rearrangement can also occur. Base strength. A strong base strength is not required because it is not involved in rate determining step. Leaving group is required such as halide or triisonate late because it involved in the rate determining step. Rearrangement. Since the mechanism is carbocation intermediate, rearrangement is also occur in this. Now E2 reactions. The E2 reactions is elimination biomolecule. Like as I told, it is one step elimination reaction. The product of E2 elimination reaction has one more degree of unsaturation than the starting material. For instance, the base introduced elimination of an alkyl halide which give rise to an alkene. These are the characteristics of even reaction and E2 reaction. Even reaction, it is unimolecular reaction. E2 reaction, it is bimolecular reaction. Even reaction is two-step reaction. E2 reaction is single-step reaction. Even is carbocation intermediate formed. E2 is hydrogen removed from beta carbon. Then even is reactivity order is increasing or sorry it is decreasing but it is high. The trans elimination because low, so energy consumption is low. No stereo specific, it is an E2 reaction is anti parallel attack. It is polo protect solvent good because stabilize ionic intermediate. And E2 due to the resonance alkyl stabilize and it is phenyl group influenced. It is rearrangement take place, but in this we can see the decrease reactivity order. No intermediates are found in E2 reactions. Next is even reaction mechanism for alcohol. This is the basic step. The first step in this is acid basic reaction means protonation of alcoholic oxygen to make a better leaving group. This step is very fast and reversible. The lone pair of the oxygen make it a Lewis base. We can see this. Then second is step 2. In this cleavage of carbon oxygen bond allow the loss of good leaving group, a neutral water molecule to give up carbocation intermediate. This is rate determining step because bond break in this. It is endothermic means this reaction is slow. We can see in this. Then third in this reaction is again an acid base reaction. This is deprotonation of a base, means a water molecule from a carbon atom adjacent to the carbocation center lead to the creation of carbon-carbon double bond. This is the even mechanism of alkyl halide. In this, the first step is cleavage of the polarized carbon bond allow the loss of the good leaving group, a halide ion, to give a carbocation intermediate. This is the rate determining step. It is a slow step. Then the second step in this is an acid-base reaction, deprotonation by a base. Here we can see an alkoxide ion from a carbon atom adjacent to the carbocation center lead to the creation of the carbon-carbon double bond. The E2 reaction is a second order reaction. It is single step reaction, stereospecific, anti parallel geometric preferred reactions, biomolecular rate dependent or concentration of both base and substrate, fa- favored by strong base, favored by polar solvent, better leaving group leading to the fast reaction rate, and in this increased rate of E2 reactions occur. So we over this topic. Thank you for this. Hello all.